Let's get started. As a part of this session, we are going to see the following concepts: class, docstring, object, constructor, data member, which is also called instance variable, method, which is also called member function. So let's see how to define a class. For defining a class, we have to use the keyword class and then the name of the class. After that, we have to give a colon. We can also give a parenthesis, empty parenthesis and colon. Empty parenthesis is optional here, which will be used if the class inherits another class, but for the sake of uniformity, let's keep it. Now here we are giving a triple quote and writing something. This is a special string which normally describes the class. This is a sample class, and this particular string can be accessed as a property of the object or as a property of the class. Now we are going to define a constructor. We have to use def keyword underscore underscore init underscore underscore and self. So this is the name of the constructor which is used for initializing the objects, and we can define all the data member or instance variable. Self is the reference to the object. We have not seen object yet, but we'll see it shortly. Also we print something here. Now let's define another method which is a normal method, not a special method like constructor or destructor. All the methods will have the first argument as self unless and until it is a static method. Anyways, this name does not matter much. We can actually use some other name as well. We are printing the value of x which was defined inside the constructor, and this is the variable which is also called the instance variable. The value of a variable will be specific to a particular instance. Instance is nothing but object. Now let's create the object. We have to give the name of the object and then equal to the name of the class. Let's save it and run it. So just we created the object and it called the constructor. Call to the constructor is implicit. Inside the constructor, the data member is initialized, and a print statement which is defined here is also getting printed. Now let's call the user defined method. Now let's run it. We can see first the constructor is getting called, then it is calling the show method and printing whatever is defined inside the show method. So with that, we have covered all these concepts here. Thank you for watching.